Hello everyone. Today I come up with another industry which is healthcare, dental clinic. How dental clinic, benefit by using this ReviewYaar tool. I'll show you how we set up, how user can see this review page. They can able to give very fastly and easy way to write the review, very in detail. Okay, yeah. Let's start. Let's log in here. So I already have set up. Let me log in first. So once you log in here, yeah, you can see the overview of the dashboard. Okay, you can see the branding I already set up. I'll just show you the branding first. You once you visit here, first you need to set a basic setting. Okay, before you set up a campaign, so go to branding option here. Here you can able to set up your logo and name and tagline, whichever. Okay, so I'm just setting few other color. Okay, I think it looks fine. So done. Then after that, location, you can add location here. If you have multiple branches, you can add multiple locations, as you can see here right side. Okay, next is QR code. So QR code, basically once you set up a campaign, automatically the QR code will be generated. No need to create it separately. Okay, you just copy the URL and you can share it, or else if you copy the image, you can send it in WhatsApp. You can download image, you can print out, and you can paste it to your desk. Okay, then session. So this session is basically how based on the campaign you set up, how many platforms, or it is kind of a log, your logs, when did you create a set up a campaign, everything, it will go with the details. And private feedback analytics, everything I will show you later once I'll show the campaign. So here business, we can add a number of business here if you have multiple business based on your plan. Now I'll go to the quickly campaign. So once I click on campaign, I already set up a campaign. You can edit also. You can you can customize based on your requirement basis. Okay, so now we'll go to I'll show you here. You can see the QR code. You can directly access the QR code also. If you don't want to run the campaign, you can pause it. Okay, you can reactivate it also. If you can delete also, have an option. Now I click on the preview link. Once you preview link, click on here. So user can able to see this page, basically patients. Okay, because we have showing demo for dental clinic. So now this we can able to change it. Okay, in the backend, address their logo and dental clinic name. Thank you for visiting us. Share your experience less than 60 seconds. So once patient click here, customer, okay, they'll have two steps only. How was the overall experience? They can select excellent, good, whichever they feel, and which service did they use it. So you can have this option based on the clinic services we have mentioned. This you can able to customize. Okay, so I choose root canal. Then what did you like most? Friendly staff. Even these options also you can customize it. Okay, uh, quality, great service. Okay, cleanliness, I mentioned. Continue. Now the second step is which language would you like to use. So usually when customer it may not comfortable to write English, they can so they can select whichever language they are comfortable, so they can choose any language and they can write it. That is one option. The second option is if customer doesn't have a time to write it also, even they don't know what to write also, they can simply click on the voice input. They can able to speak. Okay, now I'll try to before doing that, if suppose if customer write it only one sentence, suppose good experience. Okay, this much only the patient can able to write it. Okay, even if it is one two words also is enough to make big sentence. The system can write it in such a way to give the proper what is his intention, is written a good review experience. So it will the system can elaborate the two words to one big sentence. Now I'll try to this voice input as well. So I visited Smilecraft dental clinic. It was nice experience. Doctor has given very brief explanation before giving treatment. Very she they good taker. Okay, I highly recommend to this clinic. Whatever we have spoken, it will appear here. So now the system can, this review might be, the sentence formation might be wrong, maybe spelling mistake might be wrong. So the system can under, write it such a way, the way based on the spoken the words, it will make it proper sentence formation. So now the user can choose the which tone they want to write it. Is it simple or friendly? I choose friendly. Now once you click on generate review, whatever patient has spoken the, review words, it will make it proper sentence formation. Look at here now. I had a good experience at a Smilekraftz Dental. The staff was friendly and the clinic was clean. The doctor provided a brief explanation before treatment, which I appreciated. They really take good care of you, and I highly recommend this clinic. Look at this review. This is not a bot review. This is purely what patient has felt, his own experience. He just shared it. The system only just rewrite it, make it properly. That's it. So once he posted this review, so new patients and new customer can see these reviews, and obviously they will also get more confident and they will get a footfall more to this dental clinic, right? Yeah. So if customer didn't like this, the review, they can able to regenerate also. Okay. So now I liked it this review. I'll just agree with that. I read this review, reflect my honest experience. I'll just copy this review. Now we have option two option, post on Google review. This is Google review which I've given the backend. Okay, if they don't have a Google business page, if they have some different review platform, maybe Trustpilot, or maybe some other platform, Practo. If they have a Practo platform, they can also redirect to that page, and they can able to give the review also there itself. And here you can see also share on social media pages. Here showing is custom. I didn't update here Instagram. You can choose the social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whichever pages you have. You can add a number of pages, multiple pages here. So now we'll see that this is the primary destination review. So once I click here, I will redirect to the Google business page. So now here customer just click on write a review, and they can select 5-star review rating and paste it. That's it. See, I'm showing here desktop. If most of the customer doesn't have at the time desktop, even they use mobile also, is mobile responsive, they can easily do it how I'm doing in desktop, the same way only. There is no lacking, there is nothing like that. It very smoothly compared to desktop mobile, it was very smooth way. I'm just showcasing for you testimonial, or for sample purpose. So I'll just click on it, it'll post it. Okay, now let's go back. Now customer can go back, even mobile also they can able to go back, it won't go anywhere. So here, so once you go back here, they can also share it. Once I click here, it will redirect to the sheet. So now you can see we have very affordable price we have maintained, given. So even we gave the 7 days trial period also, no need to card details anything. You just try it for 7 days. If you feel it's really good and worth it, means you can continue. So if you see here pricing, I'll show you pricing. You can see here monthly 167 rupees. So billing on annually basis 1999 per year, this 2000 rupees. So first this is launch offer, first only 100 members only. After that price will be increased, will be 6000 rupees per year. So this is a good opportunity, you can grab it. Okay, this is a plan. 167 per month is 1 month. This two, if you have a two business, means we can you choose this plan, which is a 200 208 rupees. Okay, for three business 250 rupees. For five, more than five business, they can have just 333 rupees per month. So if you see calculate billing annually 4000 rupees per year if you have more than five business. If you're using two business, means you can just pay only 2500 rupees. So try free trial period, you can use it, and you can if you find all these features, everything, you can continue. Okay, see you another review. Thank you.